Hey, you have to destroy every excuses. Hello, my dear friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You have to destroy every excuses you've ever told to yourself. Because you're still here. You're still stuck. You want to glow up, but you're cheating on yourself. Every day, every hour, every minute. You're scared of failure. But what should terrify you more is being years older and scrolling Instagram and being in social media 24/7. Yeah. You're still saying to yourself, someday I will start doing something for myself and my future. You've mastered potential, but you refuse to master commitment. You know, you say you want a luxury. You say you want a freedom, but oh my God, I can see you're not doing anything about it. What are you doing with your life? In fact, it seems like you love your bad habits. You're asked for clarity, but then you ignored every time it shows up. Dresses hard work. You want better, but every time you keep walking back to average, like it's your childhood home. You're not, I want to tell you, you're not tired of chasing your dreams. In fact, you're tired from running in circles around the same excuses. You want the freedom that comes with discipline, but you treat structures like it's punishment. Why? Why would you do that to yourself? Ask yourself this. You want success, but only if it's nicely between your distractions and excuses. I bet you made a vision board for an amazing life you want, but still you don't do anything about it. Why? God, come on, enough is enough. you've been casting on daydreams and dopamine for months. You keep saying to yourself, this time I will start for sure. But the last version of you said the exact same thing. Please figure it out. Do something. Come on. If you don't, I bet you hate yourself. I'm sure you hate yourself, because if you love yourself, if you love yourself, you will help yourself and you will make the life you really, really, really want. I'm sure. So, do you love yourself or hate yourself? I don't know. Ask yourself this question, okay? Because you know. Dear Unique, always remember there is only one you, okay? I love you. Okay, like my video, share it and subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Bye.